Greeting guys. Welcome back to another episode on Dr. DIY's channel. Today we are looking at a sewing machine brand Singer. This is an olden version of a sewing machine, right? It is made very robust. Okay, it's very robust and it's made of cast iron. So what we are going to do today is we're going to do a basic maintenance job, meaning which we're going to clean everything, lubricate whatsoever need to be lubricated, grease all the gears, right, and to see the operation to be smooth as possible. Okay, so you can see the machine. You can see underneath it's all the grease has been all dried up. So we're going to do a basic maintenance to lubricate all these parts, make sure it's running smoothly. Alright, let's see what. So brand is Singer, and all the parts are made using high quality iron which has been machined, and each of the parts they have their serial number. Okay, so spare part is still available. It's powered by a AC motor, right? It's powered by an AC motor, a brushed AC motor. So it can also be powered manually using the pulley down there, but it's been discarded, so it's only 100% powered by electric now. So let's do the maintenance job now. So before we start our maintenance, we run down the machine, okay, without the needle and without the bobby thread, to see what is the noise recorded before the maintenance has carried out, and after the maintenance has carried out, to see whether is there any improvement in the sound generated. So let's see now. This is before, full speed. So the maximum value recorded is 95.8 decibels using filter A. Okay, let's dismantle the okay, most of the parts are taken out. Okay, so you can see all the parts has been taken out. So we are going to now wash it with petrol. Okay, so we soak everything in petrol and now we do the cleaning. So basically this is how we are going to clean it. Okay, let's do it now. Okay, so the grease has been basically dried up and it's very hard to come out, so we got no choice but to use a very heavy degreaser and also use a water jet. to wash all this, and later we have to completely dry it and to lubricate it. So this is after cleaning it with detergent. You can see super clean. Right. So we are going to air spray it. And we're going to grease it. Okay, so we have attached the motor now. The main reason why we attach the motor is because we want to run the machine and we want to lubricate while the machine is running. So let's see how the machine runs without lubrication. Come, put the wire in. Okay, slowly press. This is how it goes. Open. Lubricate all the moving parts. Okay. Okay, so as the parts are moving, then you lubricate. Example. Here, this part here. So we lubricate all here. So alright. Okay, so everything has been installed back in position. So we are going to do the same run to see what is the sound generated without the needle and without the bobby trap. Max min is 52. So we do again. Max. Okay, so initially we were getting 90. How much? 95. Now we got 88. So significant drop in the sound. So very good service after doing the maintenance. Okay, so summary, everything has been placed back. This is the needle tension holder, so everything has been placed back accordingly, right? So the machine now is considered to be overhauled. Maintenance. So we look at down. Down is very clean, extremely clean, right? You might be thinking, what did I use? I use a special secret detergent. How to make this detergent or this heavy duty homemade Dr. DIY's degreaser? Please check out my previous video. I have already revealed the secret. And trust me, I tried to wash this with a degreaser, it did not work. I tried to wash with petrol, it did not work. With diesel, it did not work. Then I did not think much. I just used the secret ingredient degreaser, and just by application of brush, everything came out, right? And then obviously I use a jet spray, water jet spray, to remove all the dirt, grime, the grease, all the debris whatsoever left over. And then obviously, if you don't have an air compressor, it's not recommended for you to wash it with water. But if you have a high pressure air compressor, immediately after washing, you got to take out all or blow dry all the water between the shafts, because it will rust and it will cause corrosion, and you will have some resistance in motion. So everything is okay, so we just have a look. The operation is very quiet. So guys, if you got any comments, please leave it in the comment section below. Right? Hopefully this video gave you some information on how you can service a sewing machine. This is a very old sewing machine but very robust, right? So don't forget to like, subscribe, and also to share the video around. Okay, so this is a test after tuning has been done. The tension of the thread has been adjusted. This is very complicated. I'll put a link in the description below how you're going to reset back the tension of the thread. There is a tutorial on this. Okay, let's do it now. Okay, go. Oh. Okay, let's see. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, let's see the outcome. So we take it out. So you can see the stitches. It's very nice. And the back. So the back stitches are so good. So that's about it.